Hello, I'm Mohammed Alderdi, dermatologist and aesthetic doctor. Do you can stop the process of the aging? Unfortunately, no. The main problem of the skin aging is losing two main components, hyaluronic acid and collagen, and how to solve this problem. Skin booster twice contain hyaluronic acid and PDRN, the deep hydration of the skin and stimulation new collagen, preventing aging and reversing of the structure changes. TwAc 3.0. This product based on hyaluronic acid and PDRN. Today we will inject the full face by using the cannula. Skin booster 3 ml that contain hyaluronic acid 20 mg for each ml and PDRN 20 mg for each ml. An enhanced formula for the strong signs of aging as deep lines and wrinkles, losing of elasticity, and first signs of losing of the fat bad volume. Injection technique: subdermal, liner retrograde, or using cannula with 7 double lift schema. Course of the treatment 2 to 3 procedure per 20 days in 6 months.